Hello guys, so welcome back to a new video guys. Today's video is gonna be about AUD guys. In my last video I told you guys that this pair is dropping. Told you that this pair is dropping, so obviously you guys can see that is dropping. Now I got some message. Some people are asking me how they can take advantage of it, and I mean how they can jump in a trade to be able to profit off of this trade. So if you watch my previous video, I told you how to jump in it, but I'm still gonna make another video to show you exactly what you guys can do to take advantage of this move. So guys, in the last video I told you why this guy is dropping, and I told you exactly where this pair is trying to go, where the pair is trying to reach guys. So it's easy. So if you didn't watch the previous video, you can go to watch it. You're gonna learn a lot from it. But today I'm just gonna teach you guys how you guys can get entries for this pair. This guy is dropping, for a fact is dropping, but this green bar right here is the target. So from this zone to this zone, but you guys know, if you have been trading for a long time, you know that this pair is not gonna drop like this. From this to this, it's not gonna do that. It's gonna do something like that. This right here, come right here, go back, drop, go back. It's gonna do something like that. It's not gonna drop like straight like this one. It's not gonna do that. So right now I think that today is Thursday, right? So I feel like this weekly candle is gonna stay like pink like this. It's gonna stay bullish. It's gonna be a bullish candle. Even though price is dropping, we have a lot of bearish candle. One, two, three, four, 5 days of bearish candle. But I feel like this is gonna be bullish candle. The week might end this way, and then after this week, price is gonna start dropping. Okay, but we're gonna go to the smaller time frame so that you guys can understand why I think this guy is gonna stay like that. But I don't think this week is a week that somebody can get entry in this with this pair and profit off of it, guys. I don't think. You see, this is a key zone. This is a key zone. I explained this area in the last video. This is a key zone. So what price is doing, this is what we call break and retest. This is exactly what we call break and retest. So here is a big zone. Is a very strong zone. Look at price was going right. It couldn't go through, drop, go back. It couldn't break through, drop, finally break through, test, go back, come back to test it, go back, come back to test it twice, and bought. Look at price was trying to break it. It couldn't, but and finally drop. So what it's gonna do now is gonna test it and then start dropping. You feel me? So this is what price is trying to do right now. So how can you guys take advantage of it? Look at something like here. When price went through, tested, went back, come back to test it before it dropped. This is the same thing that is going to happen right here. Price try, it couldn't go like this, bro. It's gonna test it. It might go down, come back all the way up, test it, and then drop. Or maybe it might just test it, right? Come test it and drop. It's gonna depend. But for now, we can be sure about what price is gonna do. So we're gonna react based of what price is going to do in the next week, guys. So my advice to you guys is to not rush. Some people will take their trade right here and have like their stop loss somewhere around here, but me, I will not do that. I will explain you exactly how I'm getting ready to short this market. Some people will have their stop loss somewhere around here, okay, like 30 pips, and have this one almost 300 pips, you feel me? But I'm not going to do that. I don't take trade. I told you in one of my video, I told you that I don't take trade at support or resistance. You see, this is resistance. So some people will take their trade right here, have their stop loss somewhere around here, and then catch the move. But I don't do that because it's really risky, and usually when I trade that way, I kind of lose a lot of money. So I don't trade that way. I just have like a counter trend line like this, and wait for the breakthrough, the breakout of the trend line, and then I get my entry. This is by far one of the strategy that when you use, you win like 8 times out of 10. 8 times out of 10, guys. This thing work. Be patient. Just wait for price to come back, break through your counter trend line, and then you take the trade. So guys, I think this is a breakthrough, and price is just testing this area, and it's gonna drop. But the funny thing is, sometimes when price is trying to test an area, right? Price is trying to test this area, right? It's not gonna test it like this and then drop. Price is not gonna do that. What price might be doing is that he's gonna fake like he's going back up like this, okay? And after that, it's gonna come back and shoot all the way down. So sometimes when people see like this, they are like, oh, this shit is trying to buy, and then they get in for buy like this, and price end up by going down, and then they lose their money, guys. So that's why I like to wait price. I like to wait. When I see price coming down, I take my trade. I wait, I see price coming down, I take my trade like this. Right? Price come like this, breakthrough, but it's gonna come somewhere around here and then drop. So what I do is that I have my counter trend line right here. When price break through the counter trend line, entry right here, right away, got my entry, and I have my stop loss somewhere around here because I know price is not coming back to this area, guys. So this is the way I trade. It's kind of easy to trade this way. Now I use price action to tell you guys what price is about to do and how you guys can take advantage of it. So I'm going to teach you another thing with fib. I'm going to see what will be the fib level the price is trying to tap before it can start dropping. So if I put my fib somewhere around here, right, and then I drag the fib all the way down to the target zone, it's gonna be 0.62781. So you guys see clearly that price was dropping and price kind of range on the 0.6 level, right? 0.6 level of the fib. And now what I can clearly see, if I have to take if I take this one off, you can clearly see that price bounce. Okay, price bounce from 0.3 level and it's trying to go back to test the 0.5 level. And you guys know that anytime price is going price, we all know the price is dropping, but in a downtrend or in an uptrend, anytime price is gonna bounce from a zone, right, to go test the 0.5, you guys know that price is gonna crash from there. It's gonna crash. It might come like this, test this zone, right, and then drop. This is the first one. Or it might come down like this and go back to test this zone, right, and drop. Everything can happen from there, but what I'm sure about is that price is gonna touch this area. You see, price is gonna touch this area. So people, I want to tell to all the people that are trying to catch the move from this zone, be very careful. Be very careful because price can go all the way up to this zone and take your stop loss. It might even go above it a little bit before it can start dropping. So be careful with your money. Be careful. Be careful. This thing will hit you if you don't respect it. You feel me? Price might go a little bit up, okay, might go through like above this 0.5 before it can start dropping. But what I'm sure about is that price is not gonna come back in this zone. I don't think price is coming back in this zone. So price is just gonna test this zone, and then from here it's gonna drop. Period. Period, guys. This is what is happening right now. So this is what I see in the market. And guys, so this is my analysis of the market. If you think that it look like something that can happen, you can take advantage of it. Yeah, but I think it's gonna happen the way I told you. That's why I have this one here. So what I'm going to do with this setup is that I know price is gonna go above this rectangle. Okay, I know price is gonna go above it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait price to go up. When it's going to be coming back, then I'm going to grab my trade easily from this zone. Boom. At that time, a lot of people would lose their money somewhere around here trying to catch like a ghost. Trying to catch like a ghost guy. But I'll be waiting for the price to get here and get my entry. You see? And I'm gonna catch it from here to here. So how much pip is this? It's going to be roughly around 250 pips, guys. Easy stuff. Easy. So guys, this is my idea about what price is trying to do. See you in another video, guys. Peace.